Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos as I come every Monday and Friday. Okay guys, so since it is a last day of this 2018, so I have a really very interesting thing to tell you guys that you guys must be planning that you should plan your 2019. You should do everything according to your plan, but how should I plan? And you go for digital notes and digital planner and all those stuff. So but I personally love physical planner, those paper and diaries and all those stuff. So I came across many of my friends who used to say that why in this digital world you use these stupid planners. So I don't know, but I used to love those planners. So I found out 10 reasons you can use physical planner and 10 reasons physical planner are better than digital planner. So that's it. Without wasting time, let's go to the video. So the first thing is that when you write something on your digital phone or iPad or somewhere, you have to delete it. And when you write those things on your diary or on a paper, you have to scratch it out. And trust me, scratching out is more satisfying than deleting. So that's it. In digital notes, you can't be creative, you just have to put colors and all those stuffs. But when you're using physical notes, you can be as creative as possible and as creative as you want. So it's great, right? It's fun also. Digital notes, you erase it once they are done and it's over, that's it. But when you're having physical notes, physical planners, you can keep this as a memory, and after maybe 10-15 years you can refer those and laugh at all those things, or you may know from where you started. So that's amazing. Okay, digital notes damage your eyes more as compared to physical notes. Yes, physical notes also damage, maybe, yes, ultimately you are using your eyes, so some or the other way it's gonna affect, but digital notes affect more as compared to physical notes. So physical notes are more good for your eyes. Okay, in digital notes you can't scribble, or while you are thinking you just go and refer WhatsApp, Facebook or some other thing. But when you take a book or a page and you're trying to think what you want to plan, you can scribble, you can write your name, you can make drawings, you can do anything while thinking, and this is much more good than using Facebook and WhatsApp. When you're looking at your planner or when you're looking at the task, it's very boring and simple if it's digital notes, but you're going to your physical planner, it is very appealing to your eyes as you're using different colors and many much creative things. And if you're not creative, at least you can use different colors for your different tasks and different plans and all those different things. So it is more appealing to eyes and you may love your things while your things or your work. In digital notes, you have to use their calendar, their planning and their outlet. But in physical planner, you can plan your way. You can customize it the way you want it. You can add the columns you want, the rows you want, how many rows, how much long you want, what all things you want. It's all your way. So it's customizable. And yeah, when you are planning or when you are being with a book and a paper or pen and a paper, people may think that you are doing something productive, but when you are on phone, people may think that it's just you are doing something on your phone, which leads to you are doing time pass, you are playing games, or you are just scrolling towards your social medias. In physical planner, you can highlight your important keywords, important tasks as per your way with different color, shape, size, and it's ultimately your way and the way you like it, the way you love. But in digital notes, I don't think it's possible. And the last thing, writing expands your brain and which leads to think more while you're writing. So when you're writing with a pen on a paper, so it will give more bright ideas to write and more bright ideas to think, more bright ideas which may lead to a good planner, and you can plan your month, week, days and much more in a good manner. But while you're typing, it feels like you're chatting or it's just a normal, so it may not expand your brain from your phone, so it's not that worth than writing. So when you're writing, it really helps your brain to think more, and that's it. Okay, these were the 10 reasons you must go for a physical planner than a digital planner. This is what I feel and this is what I love and this is what I have observed. So if you have something else to write, something else to tell, or some opposite than me, like if you have more such good ways of digital planner, then do let me know in the comment section. It may help many other and all the others who are watching this video. And that's it for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please give a big fat thumbs up. Okay, don't forget to follow me on my social media. Links are given in the description box. And that's it. Please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I come every Monday and Friday. Bye bye.